Hi. So today we have this patio. It's absolutely disgusting. Let's give you a walkthrough. So this is the patio. It is thick with grime. There's loads of black lichen. It's super slippery as well. I've had a little play with some chemical just to see how it would take the top surface off. I'm also working on these bits down here, but as you can see, they are absolutely riddled with black lichen. But let's get set up and get this one cracked out. Okay, so now I'm going to chemically treat it. I'm going to use sodium hypochlorite with wetting agents and surfactants in there. I get my chemicals exclusively from Pure Seal, as they're all label compliant, and I find they've just been the best for me. Normally I would use the chemical applicator or the X-Jet to apply this. I'm going to be applying it neat just because of how cold it is today. It's around 4 degrees at the moment, which means the ground temperature is around 2 to 3. You need it ideally a bit warmer to be able to really get some good results. But I'm going to apply it neat, get the big mask on, get it worked in, 2 or 3 coats, rinse it off, and hopefully we'll get rid of the majority of that black lichen. All right, we'll give that 15-20 minutes, see if I need to apply it again. I imagine I will, because it's been the same around the front and the same on these ones. Just keep reapplying until I get rid of some of that black lichen. All right, so that has had about a 25-30 minute dwell time. I did apply a little bit more chemical to it as well, along with this one down here, getting all these bits sorted because the lichen was horrific. But yeah, we've come out pretty damn good. Hell of an improvement. I'm just going to set you back up and I'll get it rinsed off. All right, that's this one all done. So we've done this patio behind me, we've done this path, little bin area I believe, and then all the way down as well. We've also done the front of the property too. There's a few black lichens in places, you can see there's a few here. I've treated them, I probably will just apply a biocide at the end just to keep them cleaning, but this property is going to be on the market, so it's just a quick clean up just to make it a little bit more presentable. But yeah, big difference on that patio. Absolutely looks 100 times better. I'll pop some before and afters at the end of this video. So yeah, thanks for sticking around. Appreciate it. Cheers.